Startup, take 2. Alright, so I was actually able to get them both started in the same video. Dragonfly. Sand on the line here. Alright, now for the shutdown. Alright, complete startup and shutdown video of 2010 13 SEER Janitrol heat pumps. Actually, I don't know if it's pronounced Janitrol or Janitrol. Now that the units are shut off, let's see if we can get a look at the reversing valve. And there it is, right down there. Copeland scroll compressor. There's the reversing valve right there. Don't know how well you can see it, but the reversing valve is right where I'm pointing the camera. I don't think there are any houses around here that have gas heat. There are some that have gas fireplaces and gas stoves, but all of them have, the ones that do have central air, they're all heat pumps, and I don't know about the ones that don't have central air. There are a few older houses around here that just have window units, and I assume those have, like electric baseboard. That would be my guess. It can get pretty cold around here. The house we lived in, when we lived in Virginia Beach, my parents' old house, that had gas heat and a straight cool air conditioner. But out here, and a lot of the older homes have heat pumps. In Sandbridge, everything is a heat pump or electric baseboard. Yeah, there's the reversing valve down there. And 56 seconds left. 53, 54, 51. The storm last night did quite a number on a lot of things around here, and as you can see, it pulled out the lattice on the enclosure for the heat pump at the place next door. Alright, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Out.